Imagine your body as a house. A house that is looked after by three people. The first is movement. He can walk, he can carry, he can transport. Without him, nothing moves.
The second possesses knowledge. He knows what to do, but cannot go anywhere himself.
The third preserves. He maintains, repairs, protects, gives stability.
We need vegetables. Each one has a gift, but none can run the house alone.
Knowledge cannot move. Stability cannot move. Transformation cannot move. Movement gives life to every action.
Go buy groceries.
When guidance becomes unclear, movement becomes confused.
The problem was never one person.